Now friends, let's understand these rules for significant figures with the help of an example. In this example, you have to find the number of significant figures and also express these values in scientific notation form. So, the trick here is remember the rules. We start with the number 100.8 seconds. Any guesses? Well, all 4 digits in this number are significant. The zeros between the two significant figures 1 and 8 are significant as well. To write the quantity in scientific notation, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Thus, 100.8 seconds is equal to 1.008 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2. For the next example, we have the number 0.00580 km. I am sure most of you have already figured this out. The first 2 zeros are not significant because they have been used to space the decimal point. The digit 5, 8 and the final 0 are significant. Thus, there are 3 significant figures. If we come to the scientific notation, it can be written as 5.80 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. So let's look at our last example, which is 210.0 grams. I have full confidence that by now everyone has the rules on their fingertips and has already been able to figure this out. But let's delve into it. So the final 0 here is a significant number, since that comes after the decimal point. The 0 between the last 0 and 1 is also significant, because it comes between the significant figures. And thus, the number of significant figures in this case is 4. In scientific notation, it can be written as 2.100 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2. So, if there is a decimal point, then the zeros are significant. And if there is no decimal point, then the zeros are non-significant. In the given number, there is no decimal point, which means that the zeros are non-significant. We have one significant figure in the number 40,000, and that is 4. Let's go over the same example. Let's say we have a number 40,000.0. We have a decimal at the end of the number. We have a non-zero digit and our trailing zeros on the left. But this time, we have a decimal point at the end, which makes these zeros significant. So, in this number, we have 5 significant figures. I hope this gives you better idea about significant figures.